Mm. So today we will start our, this will be the first class. So I will not give you the introduction about Java, history of Java features and all that thing you can see. We'll start from the variables. Okay. Now see variables. What are variables? So variable is a memory. Like if I'm saying that you have to hold 1 glass of water. So what you will do? You will bring something, okay, so that you can hold that water. Just like that, you need some memory to store any data, any data. Now let's see the practical example. Let me show you. Okay, so today let me show you how to create a project also first of all. Okay, so this is a console, this is a server, server. So this is code, I think. So this was a project which I have created. Everyone, I think everyone has downloaded Eclipse and JDK and they have set the path and all that thing. No problem in that. So what you have to do, you have to go to files, new project. Okay, over here you have to give the name of the project, Java project, select Java project. Next, give the name of the project, and that's all you have to do. Okay, so I have already created it. So you can create it like this. Now what you have to do, right click on SRC. Okay, right click on SRC, then you will select the package. Okay, I will tell you what is packages and classes. For now, just how to do that, that's only I'm telling you that you have to follow. Okay, give me 1 minute. One minute. Let me close my STS. Give me 1 minute.
Rajesh,
Yes.
is it for Mac or Windows you're talking about?
Which one?
Will it be will it be the same for both Mac or Windows?
Eclipse. Yes, yes. Like it is available for Mac also. It is available for Windows also, for Linux also.
Okay, I
Okay.
just I mean, I downloaded it, but I
Mm.
see options like review IDE configuration setting. Next is like create a new Java web project. Should I click on
Java
create a
project.
new? Okay.
Java project. Okay, then you will give the name of the project and it will be open like this. Okay.
Oh, we can create the name, right? Like,
Yeah, you can give any name to that project.
okay, sure.
Okay.
Okay,
Now
thank
see what you have to do. So in SRC, right click, go to new, go to package. You can give any name. Okay, I will tell you what is packages, what are classes. For now, just create. Okay. So you can write demo. Okay, demo D. It will be a letter in package. You have to write uppercase or lowercase.
you.
Okay. Then you have to again right click on this new class. Okay, in class, you click on this public static void main. Click on this public static void main. Give any name. Demo. We'll discuss it. Okay, what is
Hey,
classes and everything. But this will be the
so sorry to interrupt you, sir. I was just saying that if we click the new Java package, I couldn't follow because my net was slow. So new package, then the name, and then
see. Come over here, right click, new
yeah.
package. In package, you can give any name. I have given demo. After creating demo, right click, new class. You can give any name. I have given demo. Okay, you have to allow public static void main. If this is missing, no need to worry, you have to write it. Public static void main string. Okay, we will do everything. We will do everything. What is public static, everything. Okay, but this will be the thing. Over here, you have to code for now. Okay, in this block. So first
Okay.
of all, what is variable? Suppose I'm saying I need to, I'm giving some. Okay, I'm giving 5. I'm saying 5. Okay. Now Java is saying, what is 5? What is this thing? Okay. So you are saying this is a value which I need. So here say store this value somewhere so that you can use it later. Store this value somewhere so that you can use it later. I'll say, okay, where to store it? So he will say you can store it in a variable. Variable. Okay, Java is saying you can store anything in a variable. It is like a bucket. You can store anything inside that bucket, and that bucket name is variable. Okay, okay. So I'm saying, okay, but how to create a variable? I'll say write any name, write any letter, name, whatever you want. Okay, so I'm saying, okay, I'm saying X. So this is a X is a variable. Okay, now Java is saying, okay, you have created the variable, and inside that variable, you are having the value 5. But what is the type of variable? What is the type of variable which you are storing inside the X? Now Java will say, okay, now Java will say, what is the type of X? Okay, type of X. What value you are putting inside X? So I will say it is the integer value. So I'll say, okay, please tell me. So I will say integer value. So this is how you declare your variable. Okay, now X is a variable which is storing 5. And what is the type of X? What type of value 5 X is storing? It is storing integer type of value. Okay, now let's see another example. I'm saying I want to store my name, Rajesh. So if you are storing more than one character, if you are storing more than one character, it will come in double quotes. Double quotes. Okay. Now you are saying I want to store Rajesh. Okay. So Java will again say, if you want to use this name, if you want to use this value, you have to store it. So where can I store it? In a variable. Okay. What can be a variable? Anything. So I'm saying name. Name is equals to Rajesh. Okay. Now name is a variable. You can write anything. A, B, C, D, anything. This will be your variable. This will be the variable. You are giving the name of the memory. You are giving the name of the memory. So I'm saying name. Name is the memory name. Getting it? Memory name. You have a memory inside your Java, and the name of that memory is name. And inside name, which is a memory, you have written Rajesh. Getting it? Like this. Like this. Okay. This is a memory. Inside this, you are having a Rajesh. Now you have given the name of this memory. So this memory name. So this is the name of the memory. This is called your variable. Got it? So what is the type of name? What is the type of variable? Name is a variable, but value name is storing. It is a string. Okay, string. String. If you are writing more than one character, that will come in string. Okay. Now again, suppose I want to store A. So it will come in single quotes. If you want to store only one letter, that will come in single quotes. Okay. That is a character. Okay. Now you can use anything like ch. Ch is a variable. Ch is a variable. What type of variable? What is the value which ch is storing? It is storing character type. So you can write char. Char is the type. Okay, so this is a variable. Basically, variables are of 3 types. Okay, variables are of 3 types. So first one is your local variable. Okay, what is local variable? Which you are creating inside this block. Other two are your static and instance that we will discuss later. Okay, but this is your local variable. Any doubt in variable? What is variable? Any of you? They can, if you have a doubt, unmute yourself or you can write it in chat. No doubt? Okay, now let's see. So variable, I think everyone is clear now. Now next we have a data type. Okay, we'll do 2 after. Okay, right now this is your local variable. Okay, now we have a data type. Data type is your type of data. Okay, like this is a variable, but what type of data this variable is storing? So this is your type of data, which is called data type. Getting it? Type of data, type of data, type of data. Okay, so data type. So X is a variable. What type of data X is storing? So it is storing integer type. So it is your data type. This is called your data type. Got it? Now let's see. So basically, data type. Data type. Okay, data types are of two types. Primitive. Okay, I think I already have it is presented. Let me show you the diagram. Yeah, this is the diagram. Okay, primitive, and let me, if I can copy this. It will be better. Just one second. Let me copy this image. Okay, data type. Two types, primitive and non-primitive. This is a very important question, basically asked in interviewers also. What is primitive and non-primitive? But this you will understand when you will learn object and classes. Okay, this you will understand when you will learn object and classes. So you have to remind me when I will explain you object and classes, and it will be in soon, like in Monday or Friday, I think I can cover that. So then I will explain you the difference of primitive and non-primitive. Okay, this is the predefined classes. This is the non-predefined classes. This is a very important question. Okay, remind me when I will explain you object and classes. Soon I will explain you. Okay, this is a question, sir. What is the difference between primitive and non-primitive? Okay, then I will explain. This is very important. Okay, not that like asked in interviews sometimes. Not able to open new demo path yet. New demo path yet means. Okay, see, I will tell you again how to create project. Don't worry. Okay, but first of all, learn this thing which I'm telling you. Okay, concentrate over here. Okay, do this right now. Project you can create after last 5 minutes. I will tell you again. Okay, how to do that. But see this
Sir,
thing right now. Yes.
30 here. I'm saying primitive is defined ones, right? Data types are primitive defines and non-primitive are not defined one, or they are defined one.
See, I will tell you the difference. Don't worry. Right now you will get
Okay.
confused. Okay, this is your
Okay.
predefined class. The classes
Oh,
like it.
predefined.
See, let me explain you if you can understand. Okay, otherwise you will understand. Remind me when I will tell you. Okay, this string is a non-primitive data type. Means if you will click on this, na, control plus click, you will see the class. You will see the class. See string dot class. I have not created this class. Who have created this class? So it is a predefined class. Means already defined by Java developers. They have created this class. Okay, it is a predefined class which is already present in Java. Okay, so this is called a predefined class, and this is called your. This is not a class. This is not a class. See, if you will do control plus click, you will see nothing is happening. Why? Because this is a keyword. This is a keyword. This is not a predefined class. So this is a major difference in this. Okay, that's why because of primitive data type, Java is not a fully object-oriented programming language. Because of this. Okay, so this is a good one. I will explain you when you will come in object and classes. Otherwise, you will get confused. Okay, so ask me with that. Okay, now right now let's concentrate on primitive data types. Okay, now primitive data types are also defined in two types. Primitive are of two types. One is numeric, which store numbers. Another is which doesn't store numbers. Okay, means the data type which store number, like int x is equals to 5. So int is a primitive data type. Why? Because it's storing number. Okay, char. Okay, char. Now let's see. Primitive data types are of two types, numeric and non-numeric. Okay, numeric are also of two types. One is your normal integers, which is like 5, 20, 20,000, 20 lakh, 20 crore. Okay, so normal numbers. And second is your decimal number, like 5.5, 6.5, 7.75. Okay, decimal number. So number is also divided in two parts: normal number, decimal number. Okay, now let me ask you one question. Suppose I'm giving you one glass of water. Okay, I am giving you one glass of water and I am saying store this water, okay, in some memory. So what you will bring? You have a bucket, you have another glass, you have a tank, you have a spoon. So what you will bring? You will bring another glass, correct? Why? Because you don't want to store a memory. You don't have to waste a memory, correct?
Yeah.
So you will bring another glass. So just like that, if you want to store a small amount of number like 5, 10, 20, 30, the range is 1 to 100. So why to waste memory? Because every character like byte, short, int, long. So what is the memory of byte? So byte contain one bit. Oh, sorry, one byte is equals to 8 bits. Bits. One byte is equals to 8 bits. Now suppose you want to find the last digit what byte can store. So if you want to find that, you will do 2 to the power 8 minus 1, which is I think 127. 127. So the last number which you can store in byte is your 127. Now let's test it. Okay, let's create. So I'm saying byte y is equals to 127. See, it is storing, but if I will do 128, it will give me error. He will say change it to the integer. Change this data type to integer. Why? Because it is out of range now. It is out of range now. Getting it? So this is like one glass of water. So if your glass is full, you have to put that water in a bucket. Getting it? Similarly,
Yeah.
short is having 2 bytes. Store of 2 bytes. Okay, integer is having 4 byte. Long is having 8 byte. Suppose you want to store a phone number. Phone number is of I think 10 digits. So it will come in long. You want to store some like amount. It can be in lakh, it can be in crores also. So it will go in integer. Okay, by short and byte, like a range of students or something like that. Okay, float. If you want to store a value, a number in a decimal like 6.6, 6.7, 55.5. Okay, then you will use float. It is of 4 byte. Double, 8 bytes, just like long, but it will store decimal value, 77.6 crores and all that 10-digit number, but it will be in decimals. Any doubt in this integer thing? Any doubt?
No.
Now, character. Now the question is the character is why character is coming in number. Character is not a number. Many people will say this, the character, CH, which you have created like this. This is not a number. Then why it is coming in a number? Why? So I will give you the reason now. See, character is a number. Now, why it is a number? Let's see. So I have created one character. I have said ch is equals to a. Ch is equals to a. Now I'm creating one integer variable, int x or anything, int x, and I'm saying int x is equals to ch. Int x is equals to ch. Okay. Now let's print x. How to print anything? You have a statement that is called a system dot out system dot out dot print
Print in.
ln. Okay, and you will say ch. Now if you will write ch,
Yeah.
you will
Yeah.
see something in console. If you will run this, so it will print a. Ca. Why? Because in ch you are having a. Okay. Now, but if I will print x, so what will he print? So he will print some
Yeah.
number 65.
Yes, number.
65. Now, what is
Mm.
65? So 65 is your ASCII code. Okay, now let's go to Google. Now, if I will search Google and I will say ASCII code. Okay, internet speed is slow, so give me a moment. Okay, so it is called your ASCII code. Let me start showing. Let's open. So ASCII table, ASCII table. Okay. So if you will see the ASCII table, okay, you can open this one. You will see ASCII table. Give me 1 minute. Okay. So this is called an ASCII table. Okay. And this is called your ASCII table. This one is good. So what was the value? 65, I think, correct? So if you will come over here, you will say 65 is equals to 8. So every character inside your keyboard, every character have a value, and that is called your ASCII value, American Standard Code. Okay, so that this is printed. Okay, 65. So this is called your ASCII value. Okay, that's why character comes into number. Now the next type is your Boolean type, which will store true and false. Okay, it is of one byte, and it will store true and false. True and false. Okay, true false. One thing. Okay. So this is your data type. Any doubt in data type? Anyone? If anyone have a doubt in data type, ask me. Okay, primitive data type. No doubt.
Excuse me, can you please explain the difference between float and double?
Float and double are same. See, they both store your decimal values like 5.5, 3.5. Okay, this values they both store float and double. But the difference is float is of your 4 byte, and double is your 8 byte. Just like integer and log. Okay, if you want to store two long number like a phone number like 92536 this then dot 33, so that will come in double, more than 10 digits. Okay, if you want to store a small amount like 5.5, 50.55, your height, your weight, you can use float. Getting it?
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
So this is your data type. Any doubt in data type, guys? This data type, no doubt. Okay.
Go to Eclipse, please, sir.
Eclipse. Okay. Yeah.
We got the number because we put int as a char. That's
Yeah,
right.
correct. Why? Because I'm saying this character, this char ch is equals to a, and this a I'm converting into number. So he's converting the ASCII value. He's taking the ASCII value which I have shown you. This one.
Got it. Thank you.
This one. This. So he's converting this a into 65 because I am storing in a integer. Okay, that's why.
So should we know the should we
No,
know
no,
all the values
no,
like
not at
ASCII
all.
values?
Not at all. Okay, just this is for knowledge. Okay, this is for
Okay.
knowledge. Now let's go for the Unicode system that I've already told you ASCII and all that. Okay. Now let's go for the operator. This is important. Operators means if you want to perform any kind of operation, that will come into operators. Any kind of operations if you want to perform. Okay, so there are 8 types of operators. 8 type of operator. So first one is your unary operator. Now let's study what is an unary operator. So let's come over here. Let's go to our Eclipse. So suppose I have a number. I have a number int x, which is I think 5. Okay, now I'm saying I want to increment 1. Okay, I'm saying I want to do x plus 1. Like I want to do 6. I want to convert this 5 into 6. I want to increment my x by plus 1. So how can I do that? So I can use my unary operator. Okay, unary operator. So what I can do, I can say x plus plus. It means you are saying x is equals to x plus 1. You are incrementing plus 1 inside x. So now if you will print x, if you will do like this, system.out.println, this is a statement if you want to print anything. Okay, if you will run this program, so he will print 6. Why? Because right now if you will print x over here, it will print 5. It will print 5 because our Java program run line by line. So first line is equals to, you have created x as a variable which is integer type, and the value which x is storing is 5. You are printing next line, you are printing that x. So x is 5, so he will print 5. Now you are incrementing x and you are doing nothing. Okay, getting it? So now you are incrementing x, so he will give you output 6. Got it? And this is called your postfix. Post workout. After doing the workout, you call post workout, just like that. Okay, postfix.
Hello. So I'm saying that double slash is also used for comment purposes, right? When you want to comment
Yes,
something,
yes.
or only the single slash.
We will do comments. Don't worry. We will do comments. Just for now, double slash. Double slash is for single line comment. Okay, if you want to perform any comment. Okay, and the code which you don't want to include in your programming. We will do this thing code.
Program, yeah.
This is your called your comments.
Okay.
Now this is also a same thing. This is also a unary operator. Now, can anyone guess what will be the output? Just guess it. I'm not saying it will be right or wrong. Just guess it. Okay, in a chat button. If you want to unmute yourself, you can unmute. Otherwise, in a chat, you can write what will be the output.
6
Just try to
maybe.
6. Okay. 5.
Come on,
everyone try. I'm not saying you will be right, but if you will try, you will like be interested. Like
it's
you
5.
should involve in this. Yeah.
X is 5.
5. Okay. So if I will print, like what I will see on a console, that is the question. What I will see on the console if I will run my application.
I think it won't run.
Okay, it will not run. Why?
Because
No
It
problem.
it will run, just the value is plus x.
See,
It's
it
gonna
will
be
run.
5,
It will run.
I think.
I think many of you
What
are
are we
thinking it
actually
will not.
printing? We did not use any print statement, right?
See, I have used line
We
number
did.
14.
Right now.
Okay.
Line number 14, if you can see like this.
Yeah.
System.out.println. Okay, I'm using. Okay. See, many of you are thinking it will not work because of this, correct? But this is your
No,
comment.
it's not gonna print. Yeah.
Okay, this will not be included in the programming. This is called your comments, the extra thing which you don't want to add in a programming. Okay, I will tell you what is this, but this is your program and this is your comments. Okay, this Java will ignore. Okay, so many of you are saying 5, 6. Okay, but see what is happening. This line, we will go line by line. Java will go execute the code line by line. So this line, you have written something inside over here. So you are saying I am creating variable. I'm creating variable which is x and it will store 5. Correct? You are declaring the variable. You are creating some variable. The value is 5, which is integer type. Now blank next line. You are incrementing that variable. You are saying x plus plus, which means x is equals to x plus 1. Means it will increment. Now 5, x will become 6. Correct? X will become 6. You have incremented x plus 1. Now next line empty. Again you are incrementing. This is also called unary operator. It is prefix. Okay, same thing you are doing. You are saying x is equals to x plus 1. Means right now what is the value of x? 6. Current value of x is 6. Now x will
6,
become
yeah.
7.
7.
X will become 7. Plain. Now you are printing x. So what is the current value of x? 7.
7.
So
7.
it will print 7. See.
In prefix, it will first increment, then add.
Now,
right?
now let's see. Interesting thing. It is also sometime asked. What is the difference between postfix and prefix? Both are doing same thing. Both are incrementing x by +1. So what is the difference? Now let's see the difference. So I am telling you one more thing. If else condition. Okay, if else condition. It is like if else. If x is greater than 5, I will print something. I'll say print. I will say true.
Else false.
Else I will say false. print false. Okay.
Mhm.
Now,
Yeah.
if this condition is true, if this is true, true means this condition is true. If x is greater than 5, okay, it is true, then my this block will execute. This block will execute. Whatever I will write in this block, it will execute. Else, if this is false, if this is not true, then this block will execute. Okay, so this is called an if-else condition. If this is true, this will execute. Else, this will execute. Okay, so according to you guys, what will be the output? Write in chat, otherwise you can unmute yourself. Try. I'm not saying you will be correct, but try to participate. Okay, tell me.
It's true.
It's going to be true.
Everyone, true?
False.
Okay, false.
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 X is equal to 5, not greater than 5.
Correct. Okay, x
If we
is.
increment, it will become like
See, I
more
have
than
not incremented. Where I have incremented? I have not
Okay.
incremented. Java will go line by line. So it
Okay.
x, you have declared one variable which is 5 space. Then it will check if this condition is true. X is greater than 5. No, x
No.
is equals to 5, but not
Equals.
greater than. So he will not go in this block. He will go in this block, and it will print
Oh.
false. But it will also print x.
Okay.
Correct? He will go line by line. At the end, it will execute this whole block.
Hmm.
Got it? Now let's see. Now I'm saying x plus plus. Tell me the output.
False.
True. It.
True, it is true.
Okay, everyone.
It's going to
try.
be true because X plus plus.
Try.
It is false again.
false. Okay.
Yeah, it's false.
Okay, now let's see that. So space, you have declared the variable x is equals to 5. Now you are saying x plus plus means you are saying x will be incremented by +1. Means x will become, now the new value of x will be 6. Now next line, the condition checking. Now you are saying x is greater than 5. X is 6. So over here you will have 6. So 6 is greater than 5. The output is true. True. So he will go inside this block and he will execute true, and he will come outside and he will print the 6.
So X will be when it prints X, it will be 6, right?
Correct. 6. Okay. Not a minute.
That will be false.
False.
Full output I'm expecting. Full output.
It's going to be false because if X is equals to 5 and you have stated the value below the block. So it's going to be false and the value will
X
be 5.
value will be 6.
5. Okay. 6. Okay. Full value I'm asking, full output. Okay. You can use chat box also. I'm saying that Hema has answered.
So the first initial X is equal to 5 and there is no increment. So if conditions going to be fail, the else condition will be executed and then X value will be added. So it will be 6. So when we are printing X value, it will be 6.
Okay. Now let's see. So space, and you have declared the variable x, which is 5, space, checking the condition. Now x is 5 right now. So 5 is greater than 5? No. So he will go in as, he will print false. Then next, X will increment by +1. So X will become 6. So output will be 6. So output will be false 6. Very good. Okay, now let's see. Now let's make the question difficult. Okay. Now answer the question. Now try.
True.
Yeah, it will be true.
True and full answer I need. Okay, like I'm
Okay,
printing, I'm
so-
having two.
X plus plus.
True
No, it
and
will be false.
Use chat box also. Okay, I'm saying it and try to answer. Unmute yourself also. Okay, both things. Then.
X plus
So full answer
one.
expecting like true
Nine.
and what will be the X value, false, what will be the X value, like this. Okay, with X value I'm asking. 6 and
it
2.
will be
Okay.
true and
6
6.
for true.
True 5.
The value will be 6 and the equation would be true.
Some are saying false only. See, you have to write full. Yeah, false one. Yeah, like this. Okay.
5 5 2 5 5.
Okay, now let's see. Let's see. So you have a blank space. Okay, you have a blank space. You are declaring a variable which is X is equals to 5 blank. Now this is a question. Here the questions come. Now you are using X plus plus means it will increment X. You know that it will increment X. But the thing is, this is your postfix, correct? This is your postfix. Means first of all, he will check the condition. Okay, it will do what he will do. He will check the condition. So the condition, first of all, we will not increment X. We will check the condition. Condition is true. X is greater than 5.
Yes.
No, see, right now it will not increment. He will check the condition. X is greater than 5. X is 5 right now.
No,
X
it's
is
not.
5 right now. 5 is greater than 5. No, 5 is equals to 5.
Equals to 5.
Equals to 5, not greater than. Okay, it is equals to 5. So he will go in as. He will print false.
So false.
But if I
Then
will
he'll
come,
go to the X.
it will be 6. It will be
Yeah.
6.
So
Why?
it's gonna print.
It is postfix. First of all, we will check the
Postfix.
condition, then it will increment X by plus plus. Okay, first he will check the condition. Now X is greater than 5. No. So he will
No.
go in false, but the final output will be 6. So if you will run this, it will be false 6. False 6. Okay,
False
never
6.
get confused. Okay, now if you will do this, Java is very interesting. If you will learn, like you will know everything. Now, this is your postfix. This is called your prefix. This is called your prefix now. Prefix means you can see, like, first of all, you are having plus plus. So it will increment X by +1. It will increment X by +1. So X will become 6. Then he will compare. Getting it? First of all, it will increment by X plus plus. It will become 6. X will become 6. Then he will compare X with 5. Now 6 is greater than 5. True. So he will give you true and 6. Getting it? So this is the difference between your unary pre and post. Everyone is clear with the pre and post?
Yes.
So this is a question sometimes people ask. Okay. This is an interesting topic. Let's see the next topic. I think everyone is clear with the unary. If anyone have a doubt, they can ask. Okay. Now next is your arithmetic operator. Okay, arithmetic operator is normal operators, like normal. Like if you want to, let me remove this. Okay, you have two variables, int x, which is 5, int y is 6 or 5 only. So if you want to add, you can create new variable int c, you will the x plus y. So it will be x plus y. So in C, what you will have? You will have x plus y. So it will be 10. Correct? So if you will print C over here, so it will print 10. Okay. If you want to minus, so it will be 0. If you want to multiply, you can multiply. This will be 5 multiplied by 5, 25. If you want to divide, you can divide it. It will be 5 divided by 5, which is 1. Okay. This is called a modulus. Modulus means remainder. Right now it will be 0, but if you will write 6, now it will be remainder. Remainder will be 4. No, yeah, 1 second. Let me do this. 4, 5. Okay, 6, 5. Okay, yeah, 5. It will be 5. Okay, this is your modulus. Modulus means your remainder. Getting it? If you will divide 5 divided by 5, remainder will be 0. 5 divided by 6, remainder will be 1. 6 divided by 5, remainder will be 5. Getting it?
Yeah.
So this is called your remainder. Modulus. Okay, so there are 4 arithmetic operators. Any doubt in arithmetic operator?
So can you please go again? I got confused.
If you want to add 2 numbers, there are 2 variables, x, which is storing 5. There is a variable y, which is storing 6. Okay, now you are saying x plus y. So in real time, what will happen? It will say c is equals to x is 5, y is 6. So c will store 11 like this. Okay. So integer c, and c is equals to x plus y. So 5 plus 6, 11. So if you will print c, it will print 11. Okay. If you want to subtract, you can subtract it. If you want to multiply, multiply it. This is division. This is called your modulus. Modulus means remainder. If you will divide, if you divide the number, let me show you what is modulus also. Okay. This is a divide. 5 divided by 6. So 5 and the 5. Remainder is 1. So this will be your output if you will print, if you will use this thing. Got it? If you will do 6 divided by 5, so it will be 0 and remainder will be 5. Correct? Now, if you divide 5 by 9, so 5 1 ja 5,
4 will be the
4 will be the remainder. Okay, so this is your modulus, and this is a division value. Got it? No doubt? Now shift, you can ignore this one. Basically, it will confuse you. It's about a byte. Okay, this one you can skip, or like it will confuse you. So now let's do this relational. I think relational you will tell me. Now, this was the question. I will ask you the questions, okay? Answer. And y, which is 6. So I'm saying x greater than y. Tell me the output, everyone.
Will be false.
Hmm?
And then it's then
5 false and
It's
5
gonna be false.
False,
False and-
everyone?
Yeah,
False and
false.
five?
False, false.
False and 5, it prints 5.
False and five. Okay. Now what it will be?
It's still gonna be false.
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 The
Because,
same, yeah.
Yeah.
okay, there are true people also.
It is
No. Why
Okay.
print true?
False. False on everyone false?
False.
Why?
Yes.
Why?
Both,
Because x is equal to
Because
5 and y is equal to
yeah,
5
it's
and
not
x
greater
greater
than
than y.
equal to.
That's why.
Both are equal.
Correct.
That's why.
Correct. Okay. Now,
Greater than is equals to. It's gonna be
True.
true.
It will be true.
True and
it will
5.
be. Okay. Why? Because now you are using two
Greater than
operators.
is equals
Two
to.
operators.
Yeah.
Okay,
Operators.
greater than or equals to. Okay, greater than x is greater than or equals to. So equals to also go for the true.
And true. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now
False. No, still true.
No, it
Sorry.
will be true. Because
Still
still
true,
you
yeah.
have an equal to
One
sign.
or
Yeah.
equal.
okay, you have equals to sign right now also. Okay.
Yeah. So it's still true.
Okay. Now,
Greater than x plus.
Uh,
True.
True.
hmm?
False.
mm,
False.
It's 6.
No, I think
True and
true.
True and
Still
false.
true.
True 5 and false. True 5
True
and
and false. Who's this true and
True.
false? It's still gonna be true.
True.
It's false. False, I guess.
Okay. See, now you are using unary operator, which is postfix.
post.
Which is
Yeah.
Postfix, yeah.
Postfix.
Postfix
So
means
it will
first of all, you will check the condition. The condition is true, so he will print true, and then he will print the value, which is 6. X will be 6.
6.
Okay,
So true and 6.
true and
Yeah.
6. Good.
True.
Now,
It's going to be false.
Gonna be
And
false.
6.
false.
Now, yeah, I don't think so.
False
It's gonna be
and
false. Okay.
It's true.
False. It's gonna be false.
false. False.
It's gonna be false.
false. Okay, correct.
False 5.
Okay, correct. Why? Because it is a prefix. It will add
Prefix.
first of all.
Yeah.
It will add first of all. So X will become 6. Now 6 is greater
6.
than Y or equals to Y?
No.
So it
No.
will
No.
become false and 6.
False and
Okay.
False
6.
and 6.
Sir, I have a question for you.
Yes.
Postfix
First of all,
are-
let me ask the tell me. What is the question?
So those are used in just in conditions, or if we use other part like just
No, this
initializing
this
value.
greater than equals to, not equals to, this is used in only conditions, if else. Okay.
No,
or
I
in
got
loop.
it. I'm not
Hmm?
asking about that. I'm asking about the plus sign,
No,
It's,
it is
because,
used outside also. Outside also.
Yeah, I got it, the part. I'm asking you, like, it's the prefix and postfix are only used, like, like postfix we cannot add in condition part. You are saying that, yeah? But it will, compiler will compile at the end and then add those value. But if we added like int x is equal to 5 plus plus, it will add that time, yeah, just like not adding any conditions, just initializing variable in like x is equal to 5 plus plus, then it will add those value right away, yeah.
No. If you are saying like this, 5 plus plus, correct? No, it will not
Mhm.
work. It will not work. Okay, this plus plus will always come with variables, which is over here. Okay, and you cannot do like this. Okay.
Or yeah,
Once
I'm
you
trying to
will-
see those, yeah, like a variable, yeah, x plus plus, or like I
See,
what I'm
why?
trying to say was, when we started in unitary by like the first one, operator, you added the number and it was executed right away, but in if conditions it is not executing, and
It is a
post,
condition with, yeah. See. Okay, your question is like, if I was doing x plus plus, or not like this, x plus 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 or plus plus x, both are same. If I was printing them, both were giving the same output, 6 and 6, correct? But if I am doing it in a if condition, they are working differently.
differently, yeah.
Yeah. Why? Because of pre and post. This is only the difference. Because
So yeah, those are the use in just condition part, yeah.
correct. Pre and post are
okay.
always used in conditions also. Okay. Otherwise, both contain same meaning. You can use this or this. Okay. But in your condition, you have to see. Like, I will give you one loop also. Tomorrow, I think I will explain you loop, which is a for loop. So in for loop, we use post 6. Okay. I
Yeah,
will
that's
give you
what
the
I was
reason
going
also.
to ask you about that, because for loop we use x, plus plus,
Correct. Okay.
but it is
X plus
executed
plus
right
x is
away.
equal to 1 is equal to
I will tell you.
Okay, I
But
understand.
it does condition checking, right? In the
Correct.
loops one. So
Only in
that's
the
why,
condition checking you use pre and post. Otherwise, both are the same thing.
yeah.
Okay, both are the same. You
Okay.
can do plus plus x or x plus plus, both are same thing. But in condition, they have a different meaning. Okay, sometimes people ask that. Okay, many people don't know like what is plus plus x and plus x plus plus. Both are the same, both the same, both are the same thing, but no, they are different. Okay, they behave
Very
different.
different.
So that is the thing which I'm trying to explain. Okay,
Oh, got it now. Thank you so much.
now tell me the output.
True.
It's gonna still no.
X plus plus, it's going to be 6 is not equal to Y.
False. Yeah, exclamatory.
False.
It will be false, everyone.
Okay,
False. False, and it's gonna be printing 6. False.
is not
Correct.
equal to 5. That's true.
Rajesh, I didn't get the.
No. Okay, okay, okay. See,
So it's going to be 6 is not equal to Y. That's true.
it is a postfix.
Yes.
Oh, sorry, prefix. Correct, prefix. And oh, correct. Yeah, very
Yeah,
good.
this is true.
Very
6
good.
is
It will
not
be
equal
true.
to 5.
It will be true.
Yeah,
Okay.
it will
It,
be true.
now you are saying prefix also. So it will be not equals only. Okay. It will become 6 and it will become 5. So which is correct? 6
Yeah.
is not equals to 5.
And it prints 6.
It will print true and 6. Good.
Yeah.
Now tell me.
False.
Okay. False.
5 is not equal to
Is
Y.
it false?
It's going to be false.
So this is called your what operator? Let me see.
It's
It is called a relational operator. Okay, relational operator. Equal equals to means both should be equal. Okay. Now the time okay. So tomorrow we'll continue the class. Okay. Tomorrow I think I will.
So
do
one
this.
question, one
Yes.
more. The exclamatory mark and equal to. I didn't got that.
This one?
Exclamatory that's
This
yeah,
one?
yeah, exactly that.
Okay. Let's see.
How
again.
is it working in the true form and then the answer was
See.
true and 6? I didn't
See.
got that.
See. Now x is what? X is 5.
Yeah,
Correct. X is 5. Y is also 5.
Yeah. yeah.
Y is also 5. So this means if x and y are not equal, he is
Mhm.
asking you the question. Kya x or y equal nahi hai? If x and y are not equal, true or false? Tell me. I'm saying x and y are not equal.
It's equal, yeah, true.
It's equal, na? It's true. It's equal.
Yeah.
But right now I am opposite. I am saying, is it not equal? So what you will say?
Oh,
False. Not
Then
equal.
then false,
False.
not equal. It's not
Correct.
equal. It's
It's
gonna
not
be
equal.
false, yeah.
It's not equal. Yeah.
So I'm saying true, na? I'm saying correct. X and y are
Yeah.
not equal. I'm saying correct.
Mhm.
So when x and y will not be equal, then it will go in if condition. And if
If
both are,
condition.
if I will say x equals to y, now I'm saying x is equals to y. Am I correct or not?
Then it's gonna be
That's
true, yeah, true.
Yeah, it will be true.
It will be true.
Yeah,
So
it's
he will
true.
go in
It's
true.
both are equal. Yeah.
Both are
5
equal.
equal to 5.
But now if I will
Yeah.
say like this, now x is not equals to y. I'm correct or false? I'm correct or wrong?
wrong.
You're
Wrong.
correct.
I'm
False.
wrong. I'm
So
wrong.
false. It's gonna be
Yeah,
false,
wrong.
yeah.
False.
I'm not
Yep.
correct. Okay. They both are equal. I'm saying
Because
X and
both
Y
are
not
equal, and you said no. So
Okay.
it's not equal.
Got it, everyone?
Yeah, thank
Yes,
you.
it's gonna be false, yeah.
Okay, so tomorrow we'll continue the class and we will try to finish our control statements. And guys, let me tell you how to create project. And I'm telling you one important thing. This is the most important thing I'm telling you. You will, and I'm telling you personally, many people don't do this thing. Okay. Right now you are understanding the logic. You are understanding the logic. Now there are two things which you will do. You will close this class and you will watch your television. You will do the regular things. And next day you will know this thing. You will know this thing. Okay, you will know this thing for 1 week. Only for 1 week. After 1 week, your concepts will not be remembered. Okay, you will forget these things. So how to remember this thing? Create notes. Okay, it will, I know this is not a good, like you will get bored, but I am telling you, this is one of the most important thing. Okay, create one notebook. Okay, write according to your language. Only write 1 page or half page. But what you have learned, write that thing in pen and paper. And then try to code it. Okay, try to code it. Do only one thing, which I have done. Na, do that only, but do it. If you will not do it, na, I am telling you, you will not learn. I know you will understand, you will say yes sir, you will answer the questions, but when I will move forward now, then you will forgetting the things, and then you will not understand the concepts. Many people do that. I know in my batch I have trained many students, and many students say, sir, what is this end? And I have told them many times. Why? Because they are forgetting the concepts. Okay, so don't do that. When you will write one time, now you will remember that in your whole life. If you will write that thing, if you will do the programming, okay, this is the first thing that you have to do. Second thing, try to be creative in programming. If you want to be a good programmer, okay, don't be a problem solver, be a don't be a program, like suppose be a creative means you are trying something new. You are right now, this is not a like when I will move forward now, when I will tell you about object and classes and the main thing, this is just a basics. When we will cover basics, then we will go to advanced thing, then I will teach you something very important thing. Then the thing is you have to be creative, means you have to say, if I will not write this thing, what will happen? And now if I will run this, so what will happen? Okay, right now, suppose I will save, and what will happen? Okay, so this error I will get. Why this is getting? Mismatch. What is mismatch? It is saying int to boolean. What is this mean? What is this meaning? Okay, what he is trying to say. If you are not getting it, try to answer me. Okay, try to ask me. But this is called your creative mind. Okay, in right now, you all will go as an experienced person. You will go as a 5+ year, 3+ year, 2+ year experience. You will not go as a fresher. You will not go as a beginner. Okay, so you are the senior. Getting it? So you should be a problem solver. Problem solver. What I am teaching you, do that, but do other things also. Do other things also. Okay, getting it what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so try to do that thing. Implement that. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Yeah,
I will
sure,
give
we'll
you.
follow this. Can you
Yeah,
also
I
share
will.
us the recordings?
Okay, I will do
Yeah.
that. Okay, I will do
Rajesh, one more question.
that.
You said you will help us in creating the demo here.
Okay, one
Because we
second.
need to practice the.
One second. Guys, I have one issue. I will connect. One second. Give me 1 minute. So how to do that? Tell me, please. So what you have to do? You have to go to project. Sorry, file. Go to file. Go to new. Okay, go to new. Go to other. Oh, sorry, not go to other. Sorry. Go to file. Go to new. Go to project. In this, select Java project. Next, write the project name. Okay, write the project name. Then when you will say next, don't create, don't like A, suppose A I have written. I will say next. Okay, finish. Don't create, no. So your project will be over here. This is how you create a project. Okay, then what you have to do? You have to create the package.